Hi, my name is Keegan and I'm a detailer here at the Honda Way. Today we'll be talking about leather and vinyl protection for the interior of your vehicle. This is a product we use at the Honda Way. It's very safe on leather and vinyl, and it makes your seats look great. This product can be easily applied to leather and vinyl, which forms an invisible coating to resist soiling and water penetration. While still wet, staining materials can be easily removed by blotting with an absorbent cloth. When dried, most staining residue can be removed with a damp cloth or mild shampoo. Restorer will not affect the feel or appearance of most treated materials. That's all I have for you today. Make sure you keep those leather seats protected, and we'll see you next week.